What's up, YouTube? Just got back from dinner at the pub, our favorite place to go, and my son's. And we have a 2011 to 19, or the application, Ford Explorer. So if you watched my previous video of Ford service quality, where they went in to have the AC gasket serviced in the back, and then the technician wound up breaking the AC line off the AC condenser because he really didn't know how to get it off without destroying things. And you're prying at the top without, drilling out where the stud goes through the line, you cause problems. So, and what the tech did in the back is the high pressure line is the one that he broke. So he broke it off here. What happens is he was wiggling it and wiggling it and wiggling it. That's not what you do. You have to get the nut off. You have to drill the corrosion around the stud out. And then sometimes you have to take a whizzer and split this and spread it so you can relieve the tension. So we went with, I think this is Auto Cool. This came from China, but I think that whoever's selling it's from Auto Cool on Amazon. It actually even comes with the right gasket for the line and the O-ring seal on it. So the dealer actually put this electronic rack and pinion in and left the subframe bolts in, which we'll address that when the customer comes back. We did advise replacing it with OEM lines. They didn't want to go that route because it's extremely expensive. I said I could probably just repair what you have there, which is take the high pressure line completely out. I probably won't even take it out. I'll probably just route this new line right around it up to the front. And then this is actually a giant hose assembly, which comes with both of them. So this makes it fairly easy. So you can just run this anywhere you want. Make sure it's away from chafing and rubbing and hot components. You have the high pressure and low pressure line all the way front to back for both sides. The customer didn't want to go through expensive to do both high and low pressure lines. We're going to just do one. It is what it is. And I'm okay with that because the high pressure line is the only thing that's broken. The low pressure line is still seized on there. We didn't go at it. So I told him I had to order this kit. And this is for the 2011 to 19 Explorer auxiliary, which is meaning the rear AC unit, which is a very common failure place back there where the gaskets get oxidized and corrosion between the mating surfaces, and they actually start to push away from the block, not the block, the evaporator core in the back, and they start to leak. So typically we could just get back there and put new gaskets and seals on those lines if someone doesn't hack it all up to death. But once we get this job in, I have to call the customer Monday and say, hey, your kit's in, and we can get started. Now, it also had some other issues that Ford didn't bring to their attention, but I'm not sure how much further the customer wants to go.
Hey.
So I'll let you know, this looks like a great alternative to, disassembling the whole car to put AC lines in. So if you're getting a $3,000 bill from Ford or anywhere to replace the hard lines, which are all aluminum, you might want to run out of that place and come check us out at Meineke Cineminson. We have affordable solutions for you. Thanks for watching.